Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, Round 7. And if you'd like to check out the layouts on Instagram, it's hashtag 30DSCBL7. And everybody will be using the same sketch for inspiration. And this is the one that's for today, and it's from Hip Kit Club. Calls for 4 photos. I am going to use 4, I think. Yeah, 4. I am going to use 4. I guess you can tell already that I did not do this layout today. I'm going to use Echo Park All Boy. Some of well, there is some odds and ends in here too that I had put in with the kit. So I'm not sure what they are. I'm making a frame even though the layout don't call for it. I wanted it, so I am making a frame on the outside. At the bottom of the sketch, it shows some torn paper, but I'm going to use my grass punch and put some grass there instead. Well, that just shows how long it's been since I did the layout. I could have sworn I put the pictures on first. But surely I'm going to do them next. One of the pictures is bigger than the others. It's kind of like a double size of what the others are. And I'm just going to leave it like that because I didn't want to cut into it and make them 2 separate photos. I matted them in like a yellowish orange, but I'm going to end up double matting them. But I'm going to wait until after I put the twine on the back, since they're all hanging from the top of the page. The first thing I thought of doing when I saw the page with the sketch was a Christmas layout and have ornaments and maybe cut some pictures to go in there. And then I decided, no, I think I will do these photos after I'd looked through about 100. I was thinking of tire swings when I was doing this layout, but I didn't cut them round, so that didn't do me much good. The 2 that are closest to the top of the page, I'm just adhering them down to the page, and then the other 2 are going to get foam tape. And the one on the right in the background, I am putting his foot like it's stepping up on something, and that being the photo that's in front of it. So his foot's just in the right place for that. Not that anybody would probably ever notice unless I told them. But you all are scrapbookers, so you probably know what all can go through your mind while you're scrapping. At least they go through my mind, even if I'm using a sketch. Since that one photo was bigger, I decided to do the twine just a little bit different from the other 2. And since it's such a wide open area there, I'm going to actually add some embellishment there. A tag anyway. The Happy Life thickers, the little blue ones for the first part of the title. And then for the play, I use the Tim Holtz cutouts, lowercase. Yeah, I thought, well, I might as well make them playful, the letters, since it is the word play. I pulled out my little container of fussy cut flowers and die cut and punched. And then the ones I end up using out of there are none of those things. They're from Prima, and they were in a bottle called Got Milk. And I still have plenty in there, but I put a few in here one day when I was just finishing up with the layout. Yeah, I thought those blades of grass were begging for some flowers to be put there. And at first I just put the 5, but I will be going back later and adding just a little bit more because I thought it was too formal compared to what I was picturing in my head anyway. And I didn't even notice when I was doing it. I put one backwards, the back side's front. But I got to looking at it and I thought, well, I really don't mind it being that way. It looks like the petals are just curling in a different direction. So I left it. And again, I wasn't wanting a white background. I know, I go through spells of white and then I go through spells of not white. So I used a light blue with, well, they got crosses or plus signs. I think maybe they're plus signs, that it's tone on tone. So you really can't see them unless you're looking at the layout. At least I can't. Not on this video editing program anyway. I was going to use this, well, It's 3x4. Yeah, I think it's 3x4 card, and I was going to use it as a tag and put some twine in it. However, there really wasn't enough room for my punch there. I didn't think about it till later. I could have used a small punch, but yeah, I didn't think about it. So I just put an enamel dot there like it was covering up the hole. But I didn't want it to tear up, so yeah, I just left it out. Left it out. I didn't punch it after all. I'm using my powder tool to get that chipboard unsticky because I'm going to put foam tape behind it, and I didn't want the rest sticky and maybe, sitting kind of wonky from part of it being sticky and part of it not. So I just had the foam tape that's sticky. And I also pulled out a camera, and I think that is, I think, I think it's Shimel. I'm not sure. I cut them all apart, and it's hard to tell, but the colors maybe, or else Amy Tan, one or the other. Anyway, I put that up on that picture, and I'm putting "Let the Good Times Roll." And that big card says, "You're the best son in the world." It's her only son, so she asked me, she says, "Why haven't I got anything with the pictures from the park that day?" And this was like 3 years ago. And they were just kind of like down in the bottom stack. But I've been taking care of it lately. I've been getting her a few because I give her and him albums too. So yeah, she's going to get a few. And Kyler's known for his crazy faces. And the one on the left has a crazy face. And so I am going to do another layout, which will go in his album, where I'm going to do a close up and then one similar to this so you can see his face a lot better. Anyway, I'm going to do that for his album. At least that's the plan. I am looking through the 6x6 paper pad because I wanted a little something, not a big something. And I pulled out "Fill Your Pockets with Adventures," and I'm going to make it into a tag and hang it up there on top of that picture. It will be angled, and it's going to bug me and bug me. And then when I go back to take the pictures, it's going to get straightened. So in the photos at the end, it's going to look different than it is on the video. Because, yeah, it bugged me. I thought I'd like it at an angle. But no, I didn't. But I do like it there. And I'm going to also put a couple of flowers and some enamel dots there just to dress it up a little bit. And it will look straight later in the photos. Yeah, I should have done that to start with. But if you look down there below in the description box, you will see links to Christy and all the other gals that's doing the 30 days of sketches. And you'll see a link for Facebook. She does have a Facebook group. So you can see the sketch and watch the videos and create your own layout and post it in there so we all can see it. She will have a folder for you to put it in. And yeah, everybody's all going in the same folder for this day. And I think I'm about done. Yeah, I do. I'm adding something. I don't know what. I'm kind of at a loss here. Oh, I know what it is. I am making a few more flowers. I decided to add a couple down there where the other flowers was, because I didn't want it to be completely a formal flower garden there. And then I'm going to add a couple up there by that tag to just, dress that up a little bit. And they're still going to be there after I straighten the tag. So, yeah, wonky at an angle up there with everything else straight. But I did stay kind of close to the sketch. I put that little cluster down there in the bottom left-hand corner and my flower garden. Well, maybe a few more things that I did that's different. But if you leave a comment down there below, I'll get back with you if you like the video and hit a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, see, it's straight, it's straight. I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But yeah, isn't that a cute font? The cutout, I think. Well, Y'all know I love the Happy Life ones. I hope they never discontinue them. But I hope y'all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.